You have the 1.5 angles. You put these on the edge of the roof, on the gables, prior to setting on your roof. As you can see, Tom's measuring it, now cutting it.
Throwing away the scraps.
Well, the scraps you can save actually, because you will want to eventually tie this shed down, anchor it to something, and you can use those angles along the base on the inside to anchor it down. Screw it to the floor and then screw it to the shed. Just mark it and cut it right there.
Sucks it in better.
You should leave the angle about, what, a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, guys? Lower than the roof. And when you screw the roof on, it just makes it a tighter fit. Let's say a 1/4 inch. How's that? Excuse me.
Yeah, but we should flip it first before we go to the back.
And we just slide the back part of the roof on. And one person holds it while they level it. And then it's pretty self-explanatory. The angles are already set up. Put a couple of screws in the angles here to hold it.
That's an overhang you leave. 4 inch. I'll check it on this side. Come forward 1 inch. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Four inches. 4 inches square. Level with the peak. Allows for a natural overhang. And once you've got it set, you tack it in. There's enough screws that when you're finished you can go through it all and add extra screws. Here comes the last piece. And it's just slid up into place. And the measurements are done. You line it up to the existing one that's already squared up there. There's usually about 50 extra screws with each package. Even if there's a gap in the roof at the top, the ridge cap will cover that all. Again, it's nice to be exact, but there's quite a bit of flexibility in the Happy Shacks. Now you get a variety of trims with this. They're pretty self-explanatory where they go. You can see Thad is putting on the U channel on all the exposed areas, and that just gets screwed on. Okay, and then we'll show you some inside trims, and now you're ready to install your Happy Shack. There's some angle metal that goes on the roof here on the inside, and you'll see there's two big ridge cap pieces that go on the outside, and two ridge cap antlers that go on the outside. Otherwise, you have enough trims to seal all the way around the shed, either on the outside or the inside. And that's how the ridge goes on, the U channel. The ridge cap goes on the same way. Just put it up on the roof there, Thad. Okay, there's more than enough ridge. You just put it on there and screw it down, and that's your ridge finished. And then, as you can see, Thad's got a ridge cap here. It's cut so it can be just bent and put into place. Right there, and screwed in. And that's it. That's your finished shed. I hope this helps you, and thank you for buying a Happy Shack.